Hi everyone, this is Murthy. Welcome to QA automation classes. So hope you all are doing good. So let's start. So today's topic is the grep command. Okay, so we are going to see what is a grep command and what can be done with the help of the grep command. Okay, so let me be very clear from the starting. So this is the most important interview questions. Okay, so in any interview you go, if there is a question from the Linux, they will definitely ask one or two questions from the grep. Okay, so so let's understand this concept in detail. Okay, so what is a grep command? Okay, so let me see. Okay, so I'll say G R E P. So this is the command, grep command. Okay, so what is a grep command? So grep command, it is a pattern matching or regular expression command. Okay, so it searches for the regular expression and prints the line which matches the pattern. Okay, so grep, so the command will be like syntax, right? So I'll say grep. So if you want to give some options, right? So hyphen, you say option, right? And then you say pattern. Okay, pattern, or you can say text. Suppose particular text you want to search, you can say pattern or text. Okay, and then in which file you want to search, right? So file name. Okay, so this is the command for the grep, right? This is the syntax. Okay, so now let's do some example. Okay, so then we can better understand what is the grep command and how it is work. So initially, instead of the pattern, I'll go with the text and then we'll move to the regular expressions or the pattern. Okay, so let's go to the console, our command prompt, and let's see. Let me expand this one a little bit. Okay, hope this is clear for everyone. Okay, so now let's see what are the different files we have here. So in this current directory I have these files. Okay, so out of all I want to show you the like a particular text I want to retrieve, right? So whatever the lines containing that text will be retrieved, will be presented, right? So now let's say I have one file called unsorted text.txt, right? So let's see what is the content of that file. Cat unsorted text.txt. Okay, let's see. So there are 4 lines. So first line is file, this file is unsorted, it doesn't have any sorting, we have to sort it, sorting is done. So there are 4 lines. Okay, so now I want to find something, okay, some text in the entire file, and the line which will match with that text, that line will be given as the output. So let's start the sort. Okay, so suppose I am going to search for the text sort in this whole file. So whenever in which line this sort keyword is present, that complete line will be presented in the output. So let's say grep. Okay, so what we can say, so we have to say grep, and option, we are not going to give any option as of now, so let it be. Now I want to search for the keyword sort. Okay, where I want to search, I want to give the file name unsorted text.txt, right? Just hit enter. So now if you see, I got 3 lines in the output out of 4 lines. The initially the file has these 4 lines, but I got 3 lines as the output, right? So if you see, the sort keyword is present in the unsorted, right? So in unsorted we have sort keyword, so the text is matched here, so this line is coming in the output. And then second, here if you see sort, right, sort is present as a part of the word sorting, so this second line is also matched, so second line also came in the output. And the third line, we have the direct match, sort, the direct word is itself present, so this came. But what happened with this fourth one, in this fourth one also we have sorting, but why it is not coming? If you pay attention, you can see there is the capital S, right? This is not the small s. So here we are saying grep sort, this is small s, the capital S is not matched here. Okay, So this is case sensitive. So what we came to know, this is case sensitive. Whatever text we are passing, it is comparing with the exact same text. Okay, right? So because of that, this is not coming. So in order to avoid that one, suppose you want to ignore the cases, right? So for that one we can use a option here, right? So if you see here, the syntax is grep hyphen option, then pattern or text file name. So last time we didn't use this option, so now this time let's use the option. So what is the option? I can say grep, okay, hyphen I means ignore, right? Ignore case, right? So now if I hit enter, my expectation is I should get all 4 lines in the output. So now see, first line, second line, third line and fourth line, we got all 4 line in the output. Okay, and because of this I, the cases are ignored. Okay, so and one more thing here, one more option I want to show you. Suppose these are the some lines are getting printed on the output, right? So now suppose I want to see in the file which line number is printed here. Okay, so for that I have a option, we have an option called hyphen n. Okay, so if I say hyphen n, okay, here, so 1 2 3 lines are printed, right? So I'm not saying here hyphen I, right? I is not there, so only 3 lines are printed. And which lines are printed? This file is unsorted, it doesn't have any sorting, and we have to sort it. These 3 lines are printed, right? So line number 1, line number 2 and line number 3, right? All 3, these are numbered here, right? And these are printed, right? So we came to know about the different options, right? Hyphen I and hyphen n. So now let's combine both of them, right? You can have the multiple options combined as well. So I can say grep hyphen n and I, or I can say in also. Okay, both are possible. So now when I say ni, so it is numbered as well as is ignoring the cases. So 4 lines are printed here, right? Cool, guys. You guys are following me? If you guys have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, so then the next one is okay, so since this is a small file, I wanted to talk a little bit about the color coding, right? So say since this is a small file, I can know, okay, I'm searching for the sort and I can see, okay, the sort is present and sort is present. Now suppose this file, okay, it contains some thousands of lines, okay, and each line is like containing 500-600 words. Okay, so in that case, suppose you want to see something, right? So it will be really difficult to look it by like if you look it in the same format, right? So everything is in the white color here, if you see, right? So if you see in the black and white, like black background and white font, right? So if you try to find, okay, where exactly that particular text is present, it will be difficult for you. You have to go through the entire line and then you can find. Okay, so of course the lines which are matching those text is printed, but in that one, the particular text, now in this first line where is sort is appearing, right? I have to go through the entire line, then only I can say, okay, this is a sort. But what if the Linux is giving some functionality, okay, through which if you use that in your command, you don't have to go through the entire line, it will directly highlight this part. Okay, so let's see, that can be achieved with the help of the caller. So, okay, so let's say grep, okay, hyphen caller, we have to say hyphen caller. Okay, and then let's say hyphen ni. Okay, then options, right? I'll say hyphen ni, and then I'll say sort, right? I want to find the sort in unsorted text.txt, unsorted text, okay, .txt, this one. So now can you guys see? So first of all, we got the line numbers. Okay, those line numbers earlier we were getting in the white, and now it is, you can see, right, it's green. And then here also comma, like colon, and then if you see the text, right, the text in each line is colored, highlighted with the red. You see red colored text is coming here, right? You guys can see it, right? So this is how, like, you don't have to go through the entire line, and you can quickly identify, okay, this is where that matching is happening, right? Because of this line is getting printed. Okay, so yeah. And then one more thing is left, one more option I want to discuss, that is matching a whole word. Okay, so here you, whatever the text you are passing, if that text is present completely, or if that text is a part of any other text, then only it is matching, right? If I say it's like only pattern matching, like only whatever you have given, I want only that line to be printed. If I see here there are 4 lines, but the short word is present is only line number 3, right? The exact matching, SORT SORT, right? So here if you say SORT is part of unsorted, here SORT is part of sorting, and here also SORT is part of the sorting, right? But the exact word, right, the exact word is present in the line number 3, right? So if I want to print that one, for that I can use a what I can use a option called -w. Okay, let's say okay, grep -w. Okay, so what I want to see, I want to see sort. Okay, sort in which file? Unsorted text, unsorted text dot txt. Okay, now let's see. The command here is we have to sort it, right? So output is we have to sort it. After this command we got the line number 3. If you want, you can say -n, so you will see -n. Okay, so now you will see the line number 3. If you want to see the color, let's go and add the color. Grape -color -w. Let's see. Okay, so now we came to know, like, the different options what we have used, like -i, -n, and -w, -ne and w, everything at one, like at the combinations, and then the color coding, right? So what are the different colors and what we are using as of now, right? How to highlight them, right? And then let's say one more thing I want to show you, like the redirection, right? So let's see how to redirect. Okay, so I'll say grep. Okay, so -i, ignore case, number the lines. Okay, and what I want to find, I want to find the sort. Okay, I want to find the sort in on sorted text dot txt. And now whatever content I want to whatever content is retrieved by this command, I want that to be part of another file. Okay, so I'll say test grep.txt. let's see. Okay, let's, now you can see a file called testgrep.txt. now let's cat it and see what is the content of this one. testgrep.txt. so let's see. So this file is unsorted, it doesn't have any sorting, we have to sort it, sorting is done. So this is nothing but what we have got in the first part of this composite command. Okay, if you compare, right, so here if you see, so these 4 lines are the output of this command, and that command, okay, whatever content we retrieved, that one is going to be saved into the testgrep.txt file. Okay, so the output of this command we are passing as the content to this file, right? So if you see, this file is exactly containing the same 4 lines. Okay, and one more, like okay, so when you don't know the file name but you want to get the text, you know the text, okay, this is the text I'm searching for, but I don't know what is the file name. Okay, so now the sort, right, now this sort will be present in unsorted.txt, and again this sort, since I created this testgrep.txt, it is present, and maybe there are few other files where I might have that sort text, right? So in that case, how to identify, right? So let's do it with the color option this time. Okay, so it will be looking good, right? So grep hyphen color, okay, then you say hyphen I r. I means ignore case, r means recursively. You have to look through the all the files, right, all the files recursively. And let's say again sort, okay, sort. Suppose I want to search for it, right, this word it. So let me search for the it, and then I'll say we have to specify the file name, but I don't know file name, so I'll say wild character search, okay, star. So what it is gonna do, this star, because of this star is gonna in the all the file in this current directory, it is gonna find all the files, and then it is gonna find if the it is part of it, okay. So it's going and searching, and it is presenting everything here, right, in the console, right. So you guys are good till now. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ping me in the comment section, okay, I'll be happy to help you. So then the final thing, the regular expression with the help of the grep command, okay. So till now what we have seen only the texts, right, the specific text, like I want to find the text sort, I want to find the text it, right. But now let's say I want to find a regular expression, right. So how we can give that one, how can we can achieve that one. So let's see what are the different files we have, okay. 123. Let's go to 123.txt cat, let's say 123.txt, okay. So let's say the content of this one is 1 2 3 4, and these 4 lines are there, right. So now I'll say let's use some regular expression. So regular expression I have not told you here, right, okay. So there are 3 things we can use here. So one is the okay, so first one is this one, okay, and this means starts with, okay, this is starts with, okay. And then the next one is dollar means it's, you can say, ends with, okay. And we know star represents the one or more character, okay, one or more, okay. So one or more characters, okay. So these are the 3 commands or regular expressions we are gonna use, okay. So let's start, okay. So let's find something starts with, okay. So I'll say grape, okay, and I'll say starts with shift 6, okay. So let's say 2, okay. 2 means I want to find something that starts with the 2, number 2 in the 123.txt. So let's find. So now if you see, the line number 2 starts with 2 out of this one in the 123.txt. if I see 1 2 3 4 lines, the line number 2 starts with 2. And here, instead of giving a specific number, we can give a range also, right. So how to give the range? So here I can say so let me give this one, so 2, okay. So now I'll say 1 2 2. So now it should give 2 lines, line number 1 and line number 2, okay, line number 1 and line number 2. Similarly, if you want to see all the lines which starts with any number means 0 to 9, right, the numbers range between 0 to 9, right. So now I'll say 0 to 9 123.txt. So now if I hit enter, so it will give 1 2 3 4. If there are more lines till 9 also, it would have given, right. So this is how we need to use the different regular expressions along with the grep commands, right. So this is starts with. Now let's go to the ends with, that is dollar, okay. So now if you see unsorted, so last alphabet is D, right, okay. Let's see, or here E, here T, here G, right. So let's do that, okay. So let's say grape, okay, and I'll say E, okay, and dollar, right, E dollar 123.txt, the name of the file, okay. Now let's see. So if you say E dollar 123.txt, so it will say 4, line number 4 sorting is done, right? done is ends with e. So e and dollar you have to give. So if you give t and dollar, the third line will be output. Okay, and similarly you can say one or more character. Let's substitute. Okay, one or more character with the help of the star. Okay, so let's say grape hyphen I. So ignore the case. Okay, so when I say ignore the case, then all, and I'll say for sort, then all 4 lines will be selected here, right? Sort, and then I'll say star. Okay, 1 2 3 dot txt. So after sort anything is present, we are fine with that. Just give all those matching lines. Now if you see, so this file is unsorted, it doesn't have any sorting. We have to sort it, and sorting is done, right? For sorting is done. This is how the all the files are given in the output, right? So this is like most important chapter in the Linux, guys. So please revise it one like again and again till you are confident, because definitely there will be few questions from this chapter. When you go for any interview, they need Linux. Okay, so similarly along with the grape, I just want to tell, like, there are 2 more commands. Okay, one is the fgrep and egrep. Okay, so let me show you what are those. fgrep, okay, sorry, fgrep and egrep. Okay, so first one is the grape, second one is the fgrep, third one is the egrep. Okay, so these are the 3 commands. So then if grape is there, what is the benefit of having these 2 extra commands, fgrep and egrep? So fgrep is the fastest grape. Okay, but unfortunately it doesn't support any regular expression. Okay, so if you want to go for a text matching, so then go for the fgrep, because it is fastest, because you will get the results very fast. Okay, and egrep is, you can say, combination of grape and fgrep. It is fastest, and it also supports the regular expression. Since it supports the regular expression, it's better to go with the egrep, right? Egrep is the best one. It's the combination of fgrep plus grep. Okay, that gives rise to egrep. Okay, so yeah guys, so that's all for today. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified about the new videos. I can see there are views, good views, but yeah, the subscriber, please subscribe guys. Like, you guys are not subscribing, please subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you will get notified about the new videos. Okay, so this is Smoothie signing off for today with a promise to learn something new tomorrow. Have a good day. Bye bye. Thank you.